All right, guys, welcome into today's video. I got something special for you here. I wanted to touch base on this tweet out here by Weedman, and he says, MMAT, we need a rally here. The morale has been very low. You either believe it or you don't. I'm not going anywhere. And he tagged Palacaris and John Berta. So here is this post. Looks like this might have been on, I'm assuming maybe Stock Twits, it looks like. But I figure we need to touch base on this because it does have a lot of valid points. And I hope you like the new backdrop there, because I plan on leaving that up for all my MMAT, MMTLP videos until we hear something about the S1. That's going to be the backdrop when S1. So that's what that's for. When we're going to get the S1 filing. All right. So this post here, MMTLP, I can't wait until all this is done and George calls all of us a bunch of idiots. And kind of funny, but here it says, from future George, I told you the dividend was going to be between $1 and $20 when oil was $50 a barrel. So when it's $120 a barrel, you still complain. I got to keep it friendly because I don't want to get demonetized. A barrel, you still complain about the stock costing $1.85. I told you I was going to trap the shorts and make them pay. After the S1 was released, it squeezed, but many of you sold so early like morons. After the MMTLP ran up, I said I hoped you would invest the money back into MMAT, hoping that would cause a squeeze. Why didn't you believe me? I even sent Berta out to make you feel at ease. That's pretty interesting. I mean, a lot of this stuff's kind of really on point. I do agree with a lot of this because a lot of this is facts. There was touch and base up here. So this part here is a little bit of just him talking out of general. But yeah, there was the interview with George a long time ago where he was predicting anywhere oil was going to be, the dividend was going to be $1, $20, and oil, I think it was like $50 a barrel. It might have been 60 a barrel. I'm not 100% sure back then. That was about a year or so ago. And now it's about, well, at this point, it was 120. Now we're back down to 90, but, you know, still complaining about the stock. George said in the interview as well how they were planning on torching the shorts, putting the squeeze on, and they would hope that if people got the special dividend, that they would take that and reinvest it back into metamaterials stock. So here it says, after MMTL ran up, I hope you'd invest the money back in MMAT. And this is pretty funny. And even when George is in this quiet period, Berta did kind of come out and made us all feel very well. If you remember, Smokey got John Berta on the Twitter space, and John Berta was just on there for about a half hour answering questions and really put a lot of enthusiasm and excitement back into MMAT, MMTLP with Berta coming out there. Berta's kind of the one answering retail questions on Twitter right now. So if you go to John Berta's Twitter, look at his tweets and replies, you will see where John Berta has been commenting a lot back to retail investor questions. He's also put a lot of likes on certain comments. George isn't doing anything, but Berta's out there doing it. And it's kind of funny because Berta wasn't doing anything, and all of a sudden Berta's out there doing it. But hey, we'll take all the answers we can get because the more answers we get, it makes retail feel assured in a sense. So here we go. I laid the plan out as best I could. To those that lost because lack of patience and just plain stupidity, I don't feel bad for you. It would only be a matter of time before this once in a lifetime money away. So basically threw away this once in a lifetime money. Those that stayed, congrats on your retirement. Let's go change the future. For all of you that commented negatively on me and the way I run my company, screw you, is in a sense what that is. So there it is, man. Very interesting post. I think a lot of it's pretty much kind of funny, some of the stuff in this, and there is a lot of truth to what he was saying in this as well. And we'll see if the Berta thing, did George and Meta send out Berta, or did Berta just do this on himself? Now, I do want to run this by you as well. I did a poll on my YouTube community page. This was a public poll. You can also, so here it is. What is the price target for MMTLP that you're willing to sell? Feel free to add a comment as well. We have a total at the recording of this video, 456 votes, and we have 6% of the votes said they would sell between 5 and 10%. We got 10% of the votes saying they would sell between $10 and $20. We have 18% of the votes between 29 to 46. And yes, I used that number because that was Roller Pigeon's initial guess, 29 to 46. And MMTLP 50 and above is 66%. So that is a landslide. Now I know we have basically 450 some votes here, but out of that, just out of that little pool of investors, 66% said I'm not interested in selling until this is $50 and above. So I found that very interesting. Let's go down and take a look at the couple of comments we got. We got Riverview, Florida. I think a quarter of the number of people will sell when it starts squeezing between 5 and 10. Another half will sell at 10 and 20, and the rest will wait until divvy is announced. I hope we receive around a 15 plus divvy plus new shares. That would be very awesome. Thank you, Riverview, for commenting. We got Mike B. I would wait another year before I give up for pocket change. 75 and not a penny less. If I gotta wait for next bridge to get bought, then so be it. I'll be the last one at the party, but I'll also be the richest. Mike B, man, that is an awesome comment. Thank you so much. We do got some comments here talking about Ally. Someone you hear invest with Ally Bank, and you can't even set a sell limit. And here in the UK, they can't do anything either. Let's see what we got here. So this Andrew here says, I mean, there's so much going on with this whole deal. So even if it gets to 35 or 40, I'd be willing to sell and cash out, baby. Reinvest in MMAT for the squeeze. That's what I'm saying. Aaron here commented 80 plus. When we going to the moon? Hopefully here soon. We got Vladimir saying not selling for less than 90. And we got Jay commented said 50 and above. So I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that participated in this poll. I think I'm going to try to throw up a poll at least once a week of a certain question and get you guys' answers on there, man. I love this kind of stuff. To kind of see who's engaging with the channel is pretty nice. And also here, if you see here, if you wanted to see my post that I have privately in the community, in the membership tab, you can click the blue join button and you can join for as little as $2.99 a month for the bronze. And we got a silver and gold package there as well. It helps support the channel out in any way possible. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we will get the answer on when S1 very soon. And go check out the other videos. I'm going to have the $100 dividends only portfolio update coming out very soon. I got to get all those numbers together and get that put together for you guys. So I'll probably have it out maybe this weekend, maybe Friday or something, but I'll have that updated. Also, you can go to my playlist tab, and there it is. We got a couple videos in there, dividends, $100 monthly portfolio, and I'll give the update on those stocks. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please smash thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.